Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I wanted to insert this quick audio at the beginning of the video to let you know that my intentions were to make these three DIYs all in one video. But due to my internet being very terrible, it has just become too frustrating for me to make longer videos, so I decided to split up the videos and have each DIY a separate video. So there will be 3 parts to this. I hope that you enjoy the videos and the DIYs. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer this type of layout anyway, for me to just be making smaller videos. My videos tend to be on the longer side. I'm very chatty. I tend to repeat things, and that has always been a work in progress for me to try and get better at that. But with the internet being so bad, it takes me forever to upload, and many times the internet times out. So it got to the point where I just gave up on making DIYs altogether. We are supposed to be getting a new service provider in January to hook up a better internet, so we are keeping our fingers crossed with that. But until then, I thought this might be a better solution so that I can share my DIYs with you, and the videos will just be shorter for you to enjoy. At least I hope so. So without further ado, let's jump into the videos. I hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a fun video making 3 DIYs, trying to recreate something that I so enjoy decorating with and I so enjoy seeing other people decorate with as well. I have been loving the wooden, metal, and ceramic houses that have been so popular. Some of them light up, some of them don't, but I think they are so much fun to decorate. So I wanted to use Dollar Tree items to try and make something similar. So if you like that type of decor and you care to see how I put these 3 DIYs together, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so with the idea of this DIY, I meant for it to be for a smaller space or even for a larger space combined with other decor pieces. So with my 2 houses that are the chalkboard, I am going to be adding 2 clips, and these are the Jot magnetic clips to the top so that I can place a couple of pictures or a smaller card on the inside. With the 2 dry erase houses, I'm going to leave them just as they are. This would be a great idea to leave a cute little message, to write a Bible verse, or to do whatever you want. So that will be left just as it is. With the ceramic tree, I'm going to be gluing it down in the middle of the base here. But with the backs, because I want this piece to double as 2 decor pieces, where you can have it look one way on the one side, but then on the back it can look different. So with the back, I'm going to be taking off all the stickers and then using my white acrylic Dollar Tree paint and painting the inside of the house here. And then again, I'm going to be taking my Sharpie marker and just drawing in and filling in some windows. So all of these houses on the back are going to be white, completely white on the inside. And then of course the other side will have 2 black and 2 white. So I will be using my E6000 glue to glue my houses and my tree down. and I'll probably just use my hot glue gun to glue the magnets down. And I'm gonna work on painting all this up, putting everything in place, and then showing you what it looks like when it's all put together. Okay guys, so here is DIY number 1 all complete. So this is the one side, and you can see on the dry erase I just wrote Merry and Bright. It's really nice because you can really customize this to whatever you want and however you want. Also, the 2 houses in the back, I added the Jot magnetic clip so you can hang a card or a picture, and I think it's super sweet. The tree there is in the center. I added the same pine pick greenery and the LED lights. This is just the wooded beads from Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped it around the decor piece. Now let me go ahead and turn this around and show you the other side. Okay guys, and here I have turned the decor piece around and we have a completely different look. I absolutely love this. I love that it's versatile and I can change it up, and really it doesn't need a whole lot, but you could definitely add some extra decor to this. Again, I kept the same pine picks and just the LED light strand. But I think it's really nice if you're placing this on a mantle or on a side table like this to add some trees around this. It really will give it a beautiful wintry feel. And again, you could always add little figurines from a miniature village and add some faux snow. And being that these houses are all glued down, you can't really separate them, but if you wanted to add more, you could just make some singles and then place them around. And I think for very inexpensively, you can make such a beautiful decor piece. And when you can use it in 2 ways, it makes it even better. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY. If you care to see the other 2 DIYs that I made using Dollar Tree items to make these miniature houses, then I hope you continue watching, and DIY number 2 will be the next video out. So for now, guys, take care. If you liked this DIY, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.